So basically, when you make soap, you are mixing oils or fats or butters with a strong lye, which we all know. Okay. Now, at times there will be some leftover lye, extra lye in your soap batch. What do? Okay, you neutralize it. One way you can neutralize it is by using by adding extra oils to your soap batch, by adding citric acid, okay, or a little bit of lemon juice, or by adding vinegar. I want to particularly talk about vinegar because most of the time when I'm making my soap videos, I always mention, make sure you have acetic acid or water close to you. Apart from the water you use for your soap making, just keep water close by. It's an emergency. Especially you see somebody like me, at times I don't use hand gloves. You know, the way we make soap in Nigeria is different from the way the Oyinbo people make, that they will make in one kind of fine environment, you know, small batches with the mixer, a stick blender and all that. We, most of the time, we are doing much. We are using our hands. By the time you have hand gloves on and you don't have a hard grip on what you're doing at times, I know soap is slippery. So that's just by the way. So let's talk about this vinegar. Vinegar basically is the active ingredient. Acetic acid basically is the active ingredient in our vinegar. Okay, so what it does is that it is a weak acid. And remember that our caustic is, I was saying, remember that our caustic is a strong base. So in our chemistry, strong acid plus weak base will give you salt and water. In the same way, strong base with weak acid will still give you salt and water. Our lye is a strong base, the pH close to 14 or thereabout. Our acetic acid is a weak acid, okay, with a pH around 4 or thereabout. Now, what happens when you have splashes on your hands, or in your exposed body part, or on your clothes of this lye solution? What do? You quickly rinse off with this acetic acid. Remember, in most of my videos, I always say, make sure you have water or vinegar close by. You understand? Even the vinegar is the best option, but just in case it at worst, have water to rinse sharply. Because soap making is such a thing that anything can happen. You can be making soap and it will volcano. You need water quickly, sprinkle it to go down. You can be making soap and it will volcano and pour on the ground. Maybe you want to pack. You know that by that time the lye is still a little bit. There's still some unreacted lye. It could eat up your hands. By the time maybe you try to use your hands or you try to pack it and it splash on your body or anything, you can easily quickly rinse off with vinegar and it will neutralize it. So it is very, very important to have vinegar close by. I'm in my soap making place. I have 4 rooms here, and in 3 of the rooms I have this vinegar around in different places, diluted, some undiluted. For example, let me show you. This is a bottle of vinegar. This is an industrial grade. I do fetch from here and then dilute it. This is one bottle that I've almost finished. I bought this, it has almost finished. So what I do is that this empty container, I'll fetch from that other one, pour here. Let's say I'll pour like up to here, then finish it up with normal water, and I keep on using. You can see this is small remaining. Okay, let me show you the other one. This is the other one here. See, vinegar or acetic acid, and they are cheap. They are not that expensive. See, citric acid here. All these are things that are useful in your soap making. Essentially, what I'm just trying to tell you is, as a soap maker, there are some essential things that you need, like your first aid. You know, just like in the hospital, there's first aid. So also as a soap maker, you need to have like your own first aid, okay? And vinegar is one of the things you need. It's a must. You need it. And before I forget, we have stamping machines. So if you need stamping machine of any type, we have any kind of design at all you need, we can fabricate and make for you. Stamping machine, we can make something like this for you. This one will give you the shape that looks like Eva soap. Okay, it has brass mold. This 4 brass molds, and everything here is stainless steel. This is another one. This one will give you a round shape of soap. Okay, brass molds also, stainless steel. This one will give you the shape of like Dudu Osun. Brass molds also with stainless steel. Another one is coming today again. So if you need stamping machines, they are available. And don't forget what I said. Make sure you get your vinegar close by, okay? Make sure you get your vinegar close by as a soap maker. It's very, very necessary.